Welcome to the Weather Centre as we start to wrap up the work week. We're expecting a hot day over much of South Africa on Friday, with windy conditions over the interior parts of the Cape provinces. There's even a warning for a high fire danger rating over the central part of South Africa. It'll be a dry day in the west, but we'll start to see some cloud building up along the coast, and that's ahead of a cold front which moves in on Friday night, bringing in rainfall overnight as well as into Saturday morning, and that's mainly along the southwestern coastline. We'll start to see a few thundershowers moving in from Namibia, with isolated thundershowers expected over the northeastern and eastern interior, as well as through to the eastern Cape. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see those thundershowers starting to extend through to the northern Cape, as well as extending through to the northeastern and eastern interior. We're forecasting thundershowers for the majority of the eastern Cape, with a slight possibility of thundershowers extending through to the southern interior. Temperatures remain sizzling hot over the northeastern part of South Africa on Friday, with a high of around 40 degrees for Phalaborwa and Vryburg. Maximum temperatures head well into the 30s for the rest of the northeastern interior, and Pretoria tops a sizzling hot 38 degrees. Bloemfontein matches that daytime high on Friday afternoon. Bethlehem and Umtata at 34, sizzling hot over the interior part of KwaZulu-Natal with highs in the middle and upper 30s. You'll see a warm day along the east coast with highs in the upper 20s between East London and Durban. A fresh northeasterly wind is forecast along the coast between Richards Bay and Port St John's, with a moderate south-southwesterly wind for Port Elizabeth at 26 degrees, with a 1 metre easterly swell at 10 seconds. Scorching hot for Graaff-Reinet and Beaufort West at 38, 29 as we head towards Vredendal. Worcester expecting a high of 32 degrees. A moderate westerly wind is forecast for Hermanus and Muizenberg, both in the mid-20s. We keep in the mid-20s along the coast between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, with a moderate south-southwesterly wind, and along the south coast we're expecting a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. We're forecasting a high of around 40 for Uppington, Kimberley and Priska, 28 for Sutherland and Springbok, and you'll see a maximum temperature of 24 degrees for Alexander Bay, 25 for Cape Town and Longabon, with a moderate westerly onshore component to the wind, and along the west coast we're expecting a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. Our extended forecast for Saturday shows the cold front bringing in rainfall for Cape Town on Saturday morning, with a high of 24 degrees. You'll see cooler weather for George at 22, with thundershowers and hot weather in the forecast over the central and eastern part of South Africa. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Friday.